At Viewrail, we design, engineer, and fabricate our products right here in the U.S. We're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how it's all done.
The engineering team has worked with our customers to design a stairway, and they have made this design, and they are sending electronically over to this CNC machine the dimensions for what is the size of the tread, where do the routings for the attachment points need to be, are there any reliefs that are required, does it require special prep for LED lighting, or does it require special prep to accept the post mounting. And that information is sent over electronically. You can see that we are scanning the barcode that is on this tread so that it loads the correct program. The part is put onto the CNC machine, and all of its dimensions are now being controlled. It's being cut to length, the roundovers are being put on, and the width is being sized as well. It's a really beautiful process to watch. The part is now coming off the CNC machine, loaded onto this conveyor, where it's going to go across the robot sander or the robot wire brushing machine, depending on what the customer has selected. We have a robot that puts a wire brush finish on, which is a beautiful finish that really matches a lot of what is popular in modern flooring. We also have a robot that is doing a final sand and knocking down any fuzz or any burr, and it's going to do about 75% of the work, but it isn't totally taking the place of the human. And the human is going to do a final sanding and the final QC piece as it prepares itself to go into the finish room to receive stain as well as the finish. There are more people in our company that are spending time in this final sanding and preparation process than anywhere else. Just like any other painting or staining or finishing process, preparation is key to the end product, and we really spend a lot of time by hand sanding, working through a progression of grits to make sure that the product is well prepared to receive stain, and it's going to receive it uniformly and evenly. And when you see the final product, you're going to see that all that labor has really paid off.